A minha shoulder brilha, luz e menina linda. Tá louca com a minha quadrilha, sua boca trocando pílula. Joga não vai ter, nesse assunto eu vou pensar. Quando que cê vai.
I say disco, you say party, disco, disco,
Party, party,
I say disco, you say party, disco, disco.
party, party.
And I'm bad like the Barbie.
Okay, I want to create artificial intelligence influencer into easy steps. Let's dive in. Join and enjoy.
Number 1. Change the image pose.
How to change the pose of your AI influencer. So today I'm gonna answer those questions, and I'm gonna show you how you guys can get your desired pose for your AI image. So first of all, you guys have to click on this connect button. So if you're using the Google Collaborate for the first time, you might don't see this connect button. So for that, you just have to go to this runtime and now select change runtime. And from here, select T4 GPU and now hit the save button. And again click on this connect button. And this will be connected to your GPU. Again, you don't need any GPU for that. This is all cloud-based, okay? So once it's connected, you decide to click on display button. And now this will start executing this code. And this process can take some time. And for those who already watched my video, you guys can skip this part, okay? So after all of this processing, you will have this Gradio link here. So you can simply click on that. And now you will be redirected towards web interface. So here we have developed the face. You have the space to enter the prompt. Then we have the input image option and be able to have the advanced options. So in the advanced options, you can control the aspect ratio. You can control the quality of your image. And then we can go to select the number of images. You have the space to enter the negative prompt in it. And in the style section, you can select all of these styles. But if you want to get the realistic results, I would prefer you to use the default settings. Now in the prompt section, simply describe the experience of you a model. So I'm gonna type, beautiful girl, short hair, wear tight dress. Number of image 5, then click on generate. I love this one and download it. Now the next step is to click on this input image box. And you will have this options here. And now simply select the image prompt. And simply go down and click on this advanced options. Now you have to upload the image that we have recently generated. So simply select your image. And now select the image you want pose. And in the second box you have to upload the image that you want the influenced post like. And select the face swap. And I'll just move this to maximum. And now switch it to the canny option right.
Number 2. Deepfake.
I created this image in previous step, and now I want to use it on Deepfake tools. Colab link, which is in the description. Run the first cell like I do, and wait till it's finished. By the way, many thanks and praise to the creators of that tool. It's amazing. Now drag your source, image and target video into the files box so that are being uploaded. Now click the second cell and wait till it's finished. Now to avoid errors, please delete the past that says video quality 18. Next, you have to copy the path of your target video by clicking on the 3 dots, and then click copy and paste it into where it says /contentvideo.mp4. Next, copy the source image path and paste it where it says /contentimage.jpg. Now run that cell. For 6-second video, it takes about 6 to 7 minutes. And then a file named swapped.mp4 will appear. If it does not appear itself, click the refresh button. Download the file and watch it.
Now watch again.
Bounce when she walk, then bounce when she walk, bounce when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk. She shaking ass every.
Second method. Hello Face application.
Hello Face application. We're gonna be doing some easy deepfake with Hello Face. This is a mobile app. It allows you to swap faces on both pics and videos. They actually have a bunch of other features as well. You can see that they have a video animation feature, which just turns a live action video to an animation. They have a time magic feature. And they have these different types of collections that you can do. We are gonna be going over to the swap tab. This is where you can do the deep fakes. There is a whole bunch of templates that you can use, and they're always uploading new templates every day. If we go to the tabs up top, you can see that we're in trending right now. If you go to SD Fantasy, you'll see actual images that you can swap the faces for. They do have a bunch of dance videos. Seems to be the most popular deepfake videos online right now. They got summer bikini, a video animation, wedding dresses, featured scenes, a bunch of stuff. I actually really like the movies. So these are just scenes from various movies. The faces of the actors in the scene, which is pretty cool. And now I want to select one of them and compare this with Google Colab Deepfake. I choose this one.
Tá muito quente aqui, eu tô morrendo de calor. Chata tá pegando fogo, é tesão ou é amor? Ai, 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 você me dá muito calor.
So, I prefer to use Google Colab Deepfake. Why? I think better quality.